Okay, so in our distant learning classes today, which is Wednesday, September 16th, what we're going to do is I'm going to have you watch this video about possible life on Mars. You can just watch it by clicking on the link. It'll take you to a 5-minute video. We will discuss the video and you can ask questions about it tomorrow. And there's 2 book assignments that I want you to do. One is a science probe, and one is Encounter the Phenomenon Intro. You can do both of these assignments in your book or online. The science probe that you need to do is on page 5 of your book. And the Encounter the Phenomenon Introduction is on page 7 in your book. Those are the 2 assignments that I want you to do today. For students that are distant learning and working out of the book, you'll send me a photo of your pages at the end of the week. And if you're doing these assignments on the online book, then I believe you can just submit them as you go through them. So we're going to go to the online book. We're going to go to the module for the Sun, Earth, and Moon system. Within this module, you need to go to Lesson 1. Click on Lesson 1, Earth's Motion Around the Sun. Now what you should see, if you expand all, is today the science probe is due, and the engagement phenomenon is due as well. These are the 2 assignments that you're doing today, Wednesday, September 16th. For the science probe is meant to uncover any misconceptions. This first lesson, Earth's Motion Around the Sun, is focused on seasons. Summer, winter, fall, spring, what causes the seasons. So science probes always, start you out with a situation and then give several friends and their ideas, and you have to pick which one you agree with the most. So 6 friends wondered why it is hot in the summer and cold in the winter. You need to read through what each of these friends said as far as explaining the situation. And after you click which friend you agree with, you type in why you agree with that friend. At the end of lesson 1, we do come back because you are not told, there is one of these friends that is more correct than the others, but you are not told until the end of lesson 1 which friend had probably the best explanation. So we revisit this probe at the end of the lesson. For today, you just need to pick a friend that you agree with and explain why. Okay, when you are done with the science probe assignment, the next thing you're going to do is engage with this Encounter the Phenomenon. The question for the phenomenon is what causes the seasons. In this picture, you have winter, fall, spring, and summer. And this is an excellent activity for us in North Dakota living at 40 degrees latitude because we experience very distinct seasons. It's, easily recognizable. Not everyone in the world has seasons. If you live on the equator or the poles, you don't experience seasons. So that's just something to chew on. Not everyone experiences seasons. So what you want to do is you read through this paragraph, and I don't think I need to read it to you. You can either do it in the workbook. It's on page 7, or you can draw it as I did. below, but you read the situation, and it says, when you're done reading it, diagram why you think the sun's position in the sky changes each season, but don't forget to support your diagram with reasoning. So I don't want you to see that, but don't forget to do the explaining of your diagram. Those are the 2 assignments that are due today. Remember, it is Wednesday, so when you finish these assignments, stay logged on for the entire distant learning class period and just read a book until the hour is over. All right, have a good Wednesday.